Ever wondered how Uber acquires and retains millions of users? Let's break down Uber's growth strategy using the pirate funnel. It all starts with awareness. Uber reaches potential riders through ads, influencers, and PR campaigns. This is how users first hear about the service. Next, Uber converts interest into action. People download the app, sign up, and enter promo codes for their first ride. Now comes activation. The key goal is to get users to book their first ride. First-time discounts and an easy-to-use interface make this seamless. Retention is crucial. Uber keeps riders coming back with loyalty programs, special discounts, and reliable service. But how does Uber make money? Revenue comes from ride fares, service fees, surge pricing, and subscriptions like Uber Pass. Finally, referrals. Uber rewards riders for inviting friends, creating a viral loop of growth. That's Uber's pirate funnel in action. Awareness, acquisition, activation, retention, revenue, and referral. Want to apply this to your business? Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching.